Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have something that will transform your space: the 4-tier plastic storage bins with lids. If you're looking for the best storage cabinet for clothes, this is the product for you. It's not just a storage bin, it's a game changer for organizing your home, office, or dorm. Let's dive into the details. This storage solution features 4 spacious tiers, each with a generous 2-3 QT capacity. The bins are stackable, allowing you to save space while keeping everything neat and easily accessible. The stackable design also means you can expand your storage as needed, stacking multiple units on top of each other without worrying about stability. What makes these bins even better is their practicality. The bins come with lids that keep your items dust-free and organized. But that's not all. The front door is equipped with a magnetic closure, which ensures that the door stays shut without any hassle. This dual opening feature, you can access your stored items from the top or through the front door, makes it incredibly easy to grab what you need without removing the entire stack. Another great feature is the 4 360-degree rotatable wheels at the bottom of the bins. These wheels make it so easy to move the storage bins around when needed. Whether you're rearranging furniture or bringing the storage unit to a different part of the house, these wheels provide the flexibility you need. Plus, 2 of the wheels come with buckles to lock the bins in place, preventing them from moving when you don't want them to. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these bins are sturdy and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. The material is strong enough to handle a variety of items, from clothes and toys to office supplies and more. And when you're not using the bins, they are collapsible for easy storage, taking up minimal space until you need them again. Whether you're looking to organize your living room, bedroom, office, or closet, these stackable bins will help you keep everything neat and tidy. They are perfect for a wide range of items, from craft supplies to office documents, clothing, or even toys. The design is sleek and modern, blending easily with any room's decor. To sum it up, if you're looking for a practical, space-saving, and durable storage solution, the 4-tier plastic storage bins with lids are a must-have. Not only do they provide ample storage space, but their stackable design, dual opening feature, and smooth mobility make them one of the best options for organizing your home or office. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.